Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Descript for video to text transcript fixes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Descript website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on sign up to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Be sure to follow any guidelines for password creation. Once you have entered your password, click on Create Account. After that, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Descript. Open the email and follow the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Descript website and log in. Now, choose the plan that best suits your needs. You can select either a free trial or a paid plan. If you select a paid plan, enter your payment information when prompted. Ensure that all details are accurate before proceeding. Review the subscription terms and confirm your choices. After subscribing, access your dashboard to start using Descript. Upload the video or audio file you want to transcribe. Allow Descript to process the file for video to text transcription. Once completed, review the transcript for any necessary edits. Utilize the editing tools provided to fix any inaccuracies. Save your changes once you're satisfied with the transcript. Now you can export or share the finalized text as needed. That's it. You are now ready to use Descript for video to text transcript fixes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.